Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so grateful yet again to be together with you, and we thank God for the good opportunity for us to learn together. So guys, let's look at this problem here and see what we can do about it. So let me read the problem and then we continue. Find the first three non-zero terms in the Maclaurin series in the expansion of fx equals to e raised to sine 4x, hence evaluate. Then you are given that, correct to 4 decimal places. So guys, before we start this question, I want just to say that we are now supposed to expand this. And the reason why we expand, guys, is for one, it will now even be easier for us to come and integrate, because it will now be written in the form that is integratable, or in the form that is easier to integrate. And so guys, the first thing we are going to do is to write the Maclaurin series formula. And here is the formula, guys. So this one is usually written as fx, like that. This is now equal to f0. So guys, our reference is always f0. And then we go to the now first derivative, f prime 0 x plus f prime prime, that is the second derivative, 0 x, this now x is going to be squared all over 2 factorial plus f, that derivative, 0 x cubed all over 3 factorial. And then this one continues on and on. So guys, we are asked to find the first three non-zero terms. And so from there, guys, we are now going to carry out our derivative. So the first thing we shall write is the fx itself. Fx is e raised to sine 4x, like that. So guys, we now derive that. This is what now we are calling our first derivative, which is actually this. So it will be f prime x is equals to, we now differentiate this. So if we differentiate that, guys, for the sine e raised to sine 4x, we could use the chain rule, but guys, we are going to do just direct. And how do we do it? We come and integrate, differentiate 4x. So first of all, we differentiate 4x, and our solution is supposed to be 4. After that, guys, now we differentiate sine 4x. If you differentiate sine 4x, you will get it coming to cos 4x, like that. And then, guys, we differentiate e raised to sine 4x, assuming that this one is u. So now it is going to be e raised to u. So, and our u is sine 4x. So we shall have e raised to sine 4x. So guys, what I have done, I have differentiated using the chain rule, only that I have done it in a shortcut way. But try and differentiate using the chain rule and see what you shall get. From there, guys, we now come to the second derivative. That is, we differentiate yet again. So this is going to be equal to, guys, now we can say, let's say this is our u. We say that is our u. And this one is our v. So guys, we are now going to use the product rule. And of course, I believe all of us know the product rule is given as d all over, that is d uv, because we are differentiating uv, all over dx. This one now is given as u dv dx plus v du dx, like that. So that's what we are going to follow as we differentiate here. So we begin with u, we just write 4 cos 4x, like that. Then we come and differentiate dv dx. We differentiate this. Guys, if we differentiate this, remember we are going now to get the whole of that, because this is that, and when we differentiated this, we got this. So guys, we are now writing this once again, and it is going to be 4 cos 4x e raised to sine 4x, like that. So guys, we have done with that. Then we come to this. So that one will be plus. Let me just write it plus. Now I write v. The v is e raised to sine 4x. Then I differentiate du dx. Now I'm going to differentiate this. So if I differentiate this, I first of all differentiate 4x, which is 4. I then multiply by 4, which is now 16, like that. And then differentiate cos 4x, which now gives us minus sine 4x, like that. So guys, here we are just using the chain rule and the product rule, both of them combined. So guys, let's rearrange this. So this one will be derivative of second derivative of x equals to, guys, I now want to rearrange it in a better manner. So I can start with this. So this one will be negative 16 sine 4x multiplied by e raised to sine 4x, like that. And then we come to this other one. I hope I have not skipped anything. Then that will be plus, can write even here, plus, let me write here, down here is better, plus, now we shall have, this is now 16, then cos 4x squared, that is cos and cos 4x squared. Then finally we have e raised to sine 4x, like that. From there, guys, now we come to substitute. Since now we are told there are 3 terms, and these ones you have 3 terms, you can see that from here, 1, 2, 3, already we have 3 terms there. And so guys, let's come and now fix our 0. F0, for F0, we are going to have, we look at this point, this is our fx, is equals to that. So now we say that this is 0 now. So we shall have e raised to sine, maybe I can write here, e raised to sine 4 0, like that. So this one will give us e raised to 0, which is now 1. So guys, we are able now to get the first, that is f0. We now go to f prime 0. For m prime 0, we shall write 4 cos 4, I put 0 there, then e raised to sine 4 0, like that. So this one, guys, is going to give us, so this is going to be 1, e raised to 0, any number raised to 0 is 1, then this one is going to be cos 0, and then we have 4. Cos 0, we know it is supposed to be 1. And so guys, our solution here is going to be 4, like that. We go ahead and now find f prime prime 0. So this one is now going to give us, here we have our figure here. We may not write this one, guys, but let's write it. It's quite okay. So this one will be negative 16 sine 4, we put 0 there, e raised to sine 4, we put 0 there, plus 16 cos squared 4 0. Anywhere there is x, we put 0. Then e raised to sine 4 0. So guys, now we check what we are going to get when we put that. So guys, when we put that, we shall have sine 0. So this, all of it is going to be 0, because already we have 0 here, guys, and anything multiplied by 0 becomes 0. Then we come here, guys, we have already put 0 here, so we have cos squared 0, that is cos 0 multiplied by cos 0, which is 1. This one is 1, so we are left with 16, like that. And so guys, now we come and now fix our figure. We can write the equation first, and then we can fix our figures. So we have fx here is equals to, we can even fix directly, guys. Fx is equals to f0, which is 1, then plus f prime x, f prime, that is f prime 0 x, which is now 4x, like that. Then plus we have f prime prime 0 x squared, f prime prime we have is 16. This is our 16, guys. Then we have x squared all over 2, like that, guys. That is coming from this. It's coming from this, where we fix our f0, we have it's 1, f prime 0, we have 4, so it's 4x, f prime prime 0, this one we found as 16, so it's 16x squared all over 2 factorial. But now, guys, we are already been asked to find the first 3 non-zero terms. So we are looking for 3 terms. So guys, we come and now write our solution here. And here is our solution, guys. So we shall have, that is, if we simplify further, we shall have fx is equals to 1 plus 4x plus 8x squared. So guys, that is our solution. And indeed, we can still go ahead, but now guys, since we have been asked to find only 3 terms, so those are our 3 terms, guys. And so guys, thank you for listening to me. Follow me in the next video for us to be able to do the next question. And our next question is going to be, hence, evaluate that correct to 4 decimal places. So guys, follow me in my next video and we evaluate that. Thank you.